Welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, I am going to show you how to care for fish-borne ferns. Fish-borne ferns or larder fern are ideal for shady spots and low in maintenance. Ferns are semi-evergreen plants and easily cultivated and readily adapting to our diverse regional climates, and it is making it easier to create a beautiful garden. Fish-borne fern are extremely tough and bright green bushy with an upright growth habit. It makes a nice ground cover. This variety produces round tubers on the underground stems and forms a large clumps arching outwards from its center with fishbone shaped leaves, which forms duns and clumps. It is ideal for planting en masse in a shady garden, a fernery, pots, rocky areas, or hanging baskets. These ferns are drought tolerant, but they are sensitive to frost. Light requirements are partially shadier location to deep shade, and soil requirements are organic potting mix and well draining soil, which are moist and fertile. It likes frequent watering to thrive more. The pH of the soil is slightly acidic, which is from 6.5 to 7.5. The planting time for these ferns are March to June. The maximum growing height is 1 meter. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.